Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the lint filter on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the filter is damaged, torn, broken, or it's just missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So we're going to open up our door here, and our lint filter is right here inside the door. So to get it out, all you have to do is just simply grab on and pull it out. And this one's a bit dirty, so we're going to clean it off. Now you can see here, we've cleaned this off a bit, but if you do need a replacement, you can find one on our online store. If you've got especially any tears or excessive runs in the netting there, that'll probably be the easiest part to damage there. But it's possible that the plastic could also break and you would need to replace the filter because of that. So now all you have to do to put it back in, simply find the hole, slide it in, make sure you push it down all the way, and close your door. And the other thing you want to do with this filter, I know it's very easy to replace, but you also want to keep in mind, you want to make sure that anytime you use the dryer, you take out all that dust and lint and clean it off before the next time you use the dryer. And since we had such a short video today, we'll leave you with a joke. What did the first sock say to the second sock in the dryer? I'll see you next time around. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.